Having learned some of the basic bases and folds in the other two series, in this series we are just going to have fun and make various models. In this clip we are going to learn how to make a jumping frog. This model is a traditional model and it can be made from a square sheet of paper or index card, a 3x5 index card, or even a dollar bill. So, with your color side down, we are going to fold the paper in half horizontally. Open it back up and do a cupboard fold by bringing the edge, the bottom edge, to the center crease. Fold. Top edge to the center crease. Crease. Now fold the paper in half, this edge to meet up with the other edge, square. Open it. Now, so that it's facing towards you up and down, we are going to take this point and fold it down to this point. So that the top square is being folded into a triangle. Open it back up. Do the same thing on this side. Fold it into a triangle. Now for the top square we are going to do, fold this edge to the center crease. And now we have the guiding creases to form a water bomb base on the top square. These triangles we are going to fold out so that we have a water bomb base in the top square. Take the top section, fold it at an angle. This is the front leg of the frog. Fold it at an angle on the other side so that it's symmetrical.